Welcome to the world of plumbers.
Thank you.
May I know your name, your firm name, and from where you are?
My name is Raja from City Agencies, Vijayawada.
So you are here from Mumbai. So how excited you are to attend this wonderful event that is happening today?
It's very excited and we are waiting from a long period to this big day celebrations.
Since how long you have been associated with plumber family?
We are associated with around 25 years ago.
That's a huge time actually.
Yeah. It's now Silver Jubilee actually.
Yeah, so you have celebrated Silver Jubilee with plumber family.
Yeah.
Apart from that, there are a lot of companies which are available in the market. So why you chose plumber and how it is different from other companies?
One is the quality, which makes a lot of difference into the market, the pricing, and the other one is the relation with the management. It's a one-to-one family relation with them. So the bond which is established from day one is till today, and it has grown and it will grow in the further also.
So till now, can you share a few experiences of yours where you find yourself satisfied?
Yeah, definitely with the range they have increased, the quality they maintain, the n number of models, and today the new portfolio of Sanitaryware.
So you are excited for that?
Yeah, very much.
So any particular message or any feedback for head of the family of plumber?
Everything is perfect and this event is very awesome.
Thank you so much, sir, for attending this grateful event. Thank you.